Remember, Hachette or a Games Workshop didn't sponsor this video. This is intended to be my honest and humble opinion on this journey as a collector and hobby enthusiast. Stay a while and listen. So let's have a look to the first and the second issues. I don't want to spend a lot of time here in assembling miniatures, but actually we have the same instruction that you can have in a Games Workshop miniature set. So you have, accent on the pieces that deserve attention. And yeah, the assembling is it's quite simple because these are models that are going together just in one position, so it's quite difficult to have personalization. The first chapter is actually about presenting all the faction that you have. Space Marines, of course, the Angels of Death. Nice. Tyranids. And look at that. For me, one of the best part is to watching the pictures, guys. I know we have Facebook, we have internet, we have Instagram, so we are surrounded by pictures and stuff. But for me, having something on the paper like that is like the best thing in the world. I'm nostalgic on that, you see? And this is the captain. I want to show you my captain. It's not the same, it's lacking of some details, but hopefully in the... I want to show you better. So this is it, this is the captain that I paint. It's quite similar to the magazine suggestion, and yeah, it lacks a lot of details, but hopefully we're gonna have some stickers going forward with the collection. I'm quite satisfied. It's just yeah, nice enough for the battleground, you know. Moving forward, guys, actually we have this Primus Tyrannid with wings. This is it. I like it very much, actually. It's a beautiful piece, it's a beautiful miniature, and thanks to the contrast paint, I basically paint it in just one session. Yeah, I know that for someone contrast paint is not even a real painting, but I don't have time to spend for painting minis. I just found the best and fastest way to get my army done. And for someone like me that is more about terrain than miniatures, is basically perfect, okay? I don't know if you understand my point. Let's have a look to this beauty. I like these red crests that they have, and yeah, it's half between a dragon and an alien and, I don't know, an insect. They are great, I like them very much. And I can't wait to receive more of them, okay? I also painted the three little ones, the jumpers, they say, they're called, with the second issue. And here they are, the jumpers, you see? I like how the shades of the yellowish and reddish tones are mixing with the green. Actually, I like very much this choice. This makes more simple also to continue on the collection with the same scheme, you know? I was not very concerned by the little details, and yeah, I think it's decent paint job. We have already 5 beautiful minis, and I like that each one of them has a single page with the characteristic, you know. I'm gonna study this. And then we have some rules, basic rules, that we are gonna study. It's a beautiful issue, actually. We have also the battle mat, they are showing actually miniature, just primed, not painted. Nice. And that's it for the first issue. Let's have a closer look to the second one. So we received these 3 jumpers of Von Ryan. Once again, we have instruction to assemble the minis, and we have a first hint in the painting stuff. In the collection we didn't receive yet any colors or brushes. Luckily we have all the arsenal that we need for go step by step painting them, because when I did the fantasy collection, Warhammer Fantasy, I just started, and they just make you accumulate a lot of minis, and so you end up at the end with a lot of minis to paint, and in my opinion it's better to go step by step. So in this case I'm learning from my old experience. We have a lore from Imperium. Again, beautiful pictures, guys. Again, different factions. This is Swarm, Petrol Swarm, and we are talking about Tyrannid this time, Invasion Swarm and stuff like that. And these are our jumpers. You see the difference on color that I have preferred, and all my minis doesn't have a base yet. I have just black primed the bases, so this will be something that we will discuss later. Again, we have the technical page with the characteristics. So this is basically all focused on Tyrannids, guys. This second issue is more about Tyrannids, and we have other tactics and stuff. So yeah, this is the battle mission 2 explained, and once again they choose to have different colors just to explain us the movement and stuff, not with painted minis. The next package will contain the 3rd, the 4th and the 5th issues, so I can't wait to put my hand on it. Now I want to show you some of my previous pieces, something that I have from Warhammer 40k. Look at my Space Marines, guys. I painted them with my brush, no airbrush. They are badass. Again, not so many details, not so many stickers. I'm hoping that with this collection I'm gonna improve also details on this squad, you see? And also I have this badass on the bike, Space Marine on bike. Also this was my first 40k mini. There is a little bit of affection to this one. With this collection I hope these guys will have some company, finally. Okay guys, this is it for this episode. This is a collection that I like to explore with you. In the next episode maybe I will show you some of my sci-fi terrains that are actually quite nice, quite good. During my last moving I just sell or just give away a lot of my old pieces, and I just kept some of them. I can't wait to show you all those pieces with some minis and some beautiful picture with some beautiful environments. Till next time, happy crafting!